Okay, we continue with the second part. Okay, the law of logarithms. Okay, the law of logarithm. So law of logarithms that we have to know, there are three. Yeah. So one is the law of product. You see, the log number, the value is being multiplied. Another one is ratio law. Okay, divide. Okay, another one will be the one we bring forward. Okay, we bring the index of the value, we can bring it to the front. So the law says that if we have two log multiplied, so I can separate them into this. Okay, log. So only when here multiply, I can use plus into 2, or if they are divide, so you see here is more or less like the index, the law of the index. Okay, we can have minus, and last one, if you have power, you can bring the power and multiply with the log. Okay, into the front means multiply with the log. So this is the three laws that you will apply here when you solve the problem related to log. And also you need to take note, yeah, so if the log n base a equals to x, yeah, always, okay, the base shouldn't be negative. So if you don't trust, you can try. Okay, if you have base negative, you will actually get error. Okay, mass error. Another thing is you cannot have log negative number. All right, for example, if I see log negative 2, see, math error. So log number, you cannot have negative. The base also you cannot have negative. Okay, it must be greater than 0. So we see one example, a few example actually. Okay, regarding the log. Okay, so the first is using the law, we try to solve this. Okay, given this and this, so we no need calculator. So given log 5 base 3 equals to this, log 7 base 3 equals to this. So we have to figure out how to use the given value, okay, in the question given here. So if I can see here, log 3, so this is 25, base 3 is already okay. Here that means base 3, all is base 3. Okay, 25, here is 5, this is 7. So I can see 5 and 25, there is a relation. I can make it like that. So using the base, the law number 3, I can bring the 2 in front, multiply with the base, so equals to 2 log 5 is 0.3135. So take your calculator, 0.3135 times 2, so equals to 0.627. Okay, 1 to 0 can 4 decimal place as a habit. Okay, another one is this 35. What I can do is I have to think with 5 and 7 because the base is already done. Okay, settled. Okay, so now what I can do is log 3. 35 is actually 5 times 7. Okay, 5 times 7. Okay, so when you remember, if you remember, okay, just now only, okay, remember, you have, if I multiply, can become plus. Okay, plus means log 3 5 plus log 7 base 3. Okay, so 0.3135 plus 1.5312. okay, 0.3135 plus 1.5312. So I will have 1.8447. Okay, and last one, 1.4. Okay, 1.4, since they give you 7 and 5 and then the base is 3, so it must have related either law number 1, number 2, or the third one. Okay, so if I see here, it's most probably law number 2 lah. 7 divided by 5, okay, equals to 1.4. You have to think a bit. Okay, just try lah. Okay, so that means log 7 minus log 5, that means is 1.5312 minus 0.3135. so I will have, so minus, yeah, 1.5312 minus 0.3135 goes to 1.2177. So have done this. Okay, now we proceed with the second one, the second example here. So the one in brackets, okay, is the answer. Okay, so let's try without using calculator. Yeah, without using calculator, what we can have here, 7, 5, 0 and 6. Okay, what I can have, okay, this is minus, so one log minus another log. So law number 2 says I can actually same base, so 750 divided by 6. So 750 divided by 6, I have 125. Log 125, yes, happy. This is actually 5 power of 3. Okay, so using law number, the third law says 3 log 55. So 55, previously we have learned this, 55 is 1, so 3 times 1, 3. Okay, is it too fast? You can slow down the speed lah. Okay, if I put it in YouTube, you can just slow down the speed, no problem. Okay, now this is the question we do from left to right. Okay, no need to worry. So same base. Okay, so this one is 2, 6. So actually here I can get plus with log 3, 6 power of 2 minus log 3, 96 over 9. Okay, seem very weird. It's okay. Okay, do this first. Plus is law number 1 says I can have this divide by 36. Okay, minus with log 3, we do step by step. Okay, now another thing is if I have minus, I can actually have 8 over 36 divide with 96 over 9. I don't want to write at the bottom, it will become 4 layer. So just use your calculator here. Okay, 8 over 36. Okay, divide with 96 over 9 equals to 1 over 48. Log 3, 1 over 48. So what is 48 actually? Okay, 1 is 48. Okay, so is something wrong here? Oh yeah, okay, this is plus, so I should have this one 8 times 36, not divide. 8 times 36, so it will be, okay, log 3, 8 times with 36, okay, divide with 96 over 9. Yes, okay, then I will get log 3, 27, so equals to log 3, 3 power 3, then I will get 3. Okay, too fast. Okay, silly mistake. Okay, now so be careful lah. It's plus by multiply, not divide, not divide. Okay, so that's it. So the next example. Okay, next example. We have a bit complicated here, but still, yeah, we can apply the law. Okay, these 3 I bring it up first. Log ay power 3. Okay, now plus mean log plus log, so I can multiply. Okay, so done. That's the simplified one. Okay, now this one same thing, power 2 plus log 3y. Now 1 is actually log 3, because we can only apply the law when you have log, and log. If not, then we cannot do. Okay, so we can actually combine everything, multiply by y, minus is divide by 3. Okay, so my answer is log, just make it nicer, x3 over 3. Okay, x3 over 3, power 3, power 2. See, okay, x power 2, okay, yx power 2 over 3. So after that, you can do self-practice 4.10 and 4.11. Okay, we will continue with a little bit more. Okay, which is another law. Okay, another law. Okay, we call it the changing of days actually. So your syllabus, you are required to know the proving of this law. Okay, so we have to prove it. So changing of the base mean, you see this one is base A, right? So how or what are the law applied when you change it to another base, any number that you want? Okay, so we can actually use this straight away, but since you need to know the proving, so we have to go on with the proof. Okay, so suppose you have this. Okay, this is we start with this. Okay, meaning this one a general form. You can use any letter A, X, B, C, anyone. Okay, as long as it's this and then become this. I mean, index form become the log form. So let's say this is the suppose this is the law that you have learned. So let's say you have one log with another base. Okay, and this log as a value with a power. Okay, so we can just write this one in terms of b, because a power x is actually b, so I just substitute. Okay, after that, using the third law, I can bring the x in front. Okay, write down. Okay, then x equals to, I bring over, so x is log b base a. So I have changed the base, so it's proven. Okay, proven. Okay, if we extend a bit the formula, if I have b and c the same, okay, b equal to c or c equal to b, okay, meaning this one will be the same thing, means c or b equals to 1. So if I want to change the base to the number or to the value here, okay, to value, okay, that means I will have 1 over. Later we see example, it will be easier. Okay, it will be easier. Okay, meaning to say if the base is the same lah, actually nothing. Okay, as after this, if you have the extend working, I mean, okay, you will found that the value given b and c is the same, then you can simplify as this. Okay, that is when you've made a question. Okay, then you will know what to do lah. Okay, let's see one example. Determine the value by changing it to base 10. So we will just want to apply the law here or the rules here. Okay, so if I have this, I want to change to base 10, I must divide. I just write down the base first. So the value on top, the base become down here, a and b. Okay, yeah, b or a b, yeah, b a. If you base on the value here, you write this value up here first, then the base is down. Okay, the denominator. So then you use calculator, log 4 divide with log 10. So the answer is 0.6021. Okay, same method here. Log base 10, log base 10, so 0.452. So log 0.45 divide by log 2. Okay, negative 1.1520. Okay, so this is to change to base 10 and use calculator lah. Okay, now we have this special case, part D, special base, we call it the E. Okay, the E stand, or we call it epsilon. Okay, it's a E, epsilon. And when the logarithm with the base E, something like this, log with base E, okay, log x with base E, we call it natural log. This is a special kind of log. Okay, and you can see on your calculator this one. Okay, ln. Okay, means log with special base. This E, they has a value. If you remember beginning of the chapter, this is a special group of number. Okay, epsilon is equal to 2.718281 and so on. Okay, it's a irrational number. Okay, now, so example, we just want you to know how to use the natural log. Okay, so meaning I can use log base E 254 log base E 6. So this is actually ln 254 divide with ln 6. Okay, 3.0904. Okay, again same thing here, just use special base. Okay, so log 4 and ln 4 logarithm with base e, divide by 30. Okay, 0.4076. So this is what we have lah, the special base. So another thing is you have to learn how to use that the base that we have learned, the changing of base. So you see, given is base 5, this one is base 25, so it hints you to change to base 5. So x up here, 25 down here, so this one is p, this one is log 5 power 2, use the third law, 5 and then p. Okay, so 3 then p over 3, can, so equals to p over 3. And this one, if we simplify, equals to, so since you are given only base 5, so you have to change to base 5 lah, no choice. Okay, so base 5, so x is here, this is the law, yeah, the third one, the changing of base one. Okay, a b b, write this one first, then only the base down here. So now this is 25 multiplied with x power 3, so you can use law number 1. Law number 1 saying I can put it as plus, and then this one is 5x mean p. Okay, so this is 5 power 2, so I can just straight away do 2. So this one again is 3 multiply with p and p, can. Alright, actually not difficult lah, slowly you can do. Okay, this is 2 because 5 power, this one this is 5 power 2, so the 2 bring forward the p 5 you have 2 times 1. Okay, so 2 times 1 is actually 2. Okay, so after that you can do skill self practice 4.12. Okay, then okay, last part is problem solving. Only a few questions here, you have to try. Okay, problem solving means you have to learn and use everything that you have seen in this 4.3. Okay, in logarithm, everything that you have learned, even though sometimes you have to use the index also, the law in the index. So let us solve number 1. So the solution, so solution for the first one, 3x minus 4 equals to 50x minus 3. It seems that I can, if you want to use the index solving problem, first you must make sure the base the same. 3 and 50, I cannot make it the same, it's impossible. The second method is I make the up the same, also impossible, they are not the same. Okay, so meaning I cannot use the index method, so I have to go on with log method. So what log says, I can actually give log better base 10 okay, give log to both. Okay, just like you multiply both sides with 2 or multiply both sides with 3 like that. Okay, so if you add log to one side, you have to log to another side. Okay, after that you can use law number 3. Okay, log 3, then x minus 3 log 50. Okay, so you can use decimal or use calculator, change to decimal, log 3. So x minus 4, this one is 0.4771. X minus 3 log 50, log 50, 1.6989697. Okay, put another one lah, I don't want to round out so fast. Okay, now I can do multiply, expansion. 0.41 x minus log 3 multiply with 4. So minus 1.9085 equals to 1.69897 x minus 5.0969. Okay, so after that I can bring the x over there, this 5 over here, so meaning take the answer minus 3.1884 equals to 1.69897 minus 0.4771. 1.22187x. So x equals to 3.1884 divided by answer. So I will get 2.6094. Okay. So this is your final answer. Okay. Sometimes you will have 2 decimal means 2.61 also acceptable lah. Okay. So final answer for the x. So now we try for b. Okay, what is b? B is natural log. Okay, natural log 4x minus 2 equals to 5. Okay, now same thing. If you have natural log here means just log e, right? So remember when we change this one is base e. Actually, okay. So how to change this one into index form? It's actually e power 5. Okay, the base power 5. Okay, so what is e power 5? Shift e 5. So 148 plus 2. I do a bit faster. Okay, then divide by 4. Okay, can keep in 4 decimal place also. Okay, so we get this. So C, so C is okay, I do it here. Fast already. Okay, C 10 power e 2x equals to 35. So e means special. E is not unknown. This one is actually special number. Okay, irrational number. So I can do, I better take log with base e, because I saw the e here. It helps. Okay, power e 35 like this. Okay, like the a. Take both sides. Now this one is actually I can apply the law number 1. Okay, I just apply here. This one I copy again. Okay, now this one use calculator. This one I can bring to front. So ln 10 2.3025 plus 2x 1. Okay, log 35. Okay, so actually I can do a bit faster. Log natural e, minus with log 35 minus with 10. Okay, divide by 2. Okay, so 4 decimal place sufficient. You can try this. Okay, inside your textbook there are more exercise, and then the last one is, okay, it's done. Okay, the last one is problem solving. Okay, the last one is problem solving. After that you can do skill practice, self practice 4.13. Okay, 4.13 and also formative practice. Okay, 4.2. Okay, so let us see what is the sample example of question we have here. Okay, the temperature of the blocks rises 30 to this when it was heated. So this is important lah. This is the one that we want. Okay, the function. So determine the temperature of the steel when it is heated for 10.4 seconds. That means T is this one. X is this one. X is time. Okay, X second. That means solution, yeah. For A, so X equals to 10.4. This is second. That means X is time. Okay, X is time. So 10.4 is X. So you just substitute into the formula. 10 power 4. So calculator lah. 1.2 power 10.4. Okay, times with 30. 199.80 degrees Celsius. Okay, so this is your answer for A. For B, so find the X. Okay, when the temperature rises from 30 to 1050, that means you see here 30 to T. That means this T is just substitute. Okay, that means so just substitute 1000. Okay, after that take 1500 divided by 30, 1.2x. So 50, 1.2x. Okay, then take log, just normal base so that you can use calculator. Base 10, you can use epsilon, you will give answer same. Okay, so this one is x. So x equals to log 50 divided by log 1.2. 21, 4, 5, 6, 7. So nice. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, maybe this is second. So in order for the block, okay, so what we understand with this. So when the time for temperature to reach 1500 degrees Celsius, it takes 21.4567 seconds. This is what we understood with the meaning of x here. Okay, just like this one. Okay, when the time is after 10.4 seconds, temperature become 199.8 degrees Celsius. This is what we understood with the value here. Can so we will stop here. Actually, we finished 4.3. Okay, you will do your exercise, your self practice 4.13 and also your intense practice 4.2. So I will see you again. Okay, I will see you again soon, hopefully, or you will hear from me again. Okay, anything you just message me lah. Okay, thank you.